Let's take a complete tour of All-Star Sports Resort at Walt Disney World, including the resort overall, as well as a look inside the rooms. All-Star Sports Resort is a value resort at Walt Disney World, making it one of the most affordable options that you could choose for your trip. And as you might guess from the name, it is sports themed. You will see large icons and theming of the buildings around various sports, including baseball, basketball, football, surfing, and tennis. When you arrive at All-Star Sports, you will pull up to the main building, which is called Stadium Hall. Like at all the value resorts, this main building has a lot of the essentials that you will need for your trip. That includes, of course, the front desk, the food court, which is called in-zone food court here, the main shop, which is called Sport Goofy Gifts and Sundries, an arcade called Game Point Arcade, and a place to exchange your fuel rod. Just outside the front entrance of All-Star Sports, you can access bell services for your luggage or for deliveries. Just behind the main building here is one of two main pools called the Surfboard Bay Pool. You'll notice as you look around the resort, the buildings are themed after several different sports. There is Surf's Up, Hoops Hotel, Center Court, Touchdown, and Home Run Hotel. Home Run Hotel, buildings 8 and 9, is home to the second pool located here. Both of the main pools have laundry facilities if you need them during your trip. As we head inside one of the buildings to take a look at the rooms, there are a couple different options because All-Star Sports is in the middle of having all of the rooms refurbished. So some of them have the old style, which has more outdated decor and 2 double beds, but they are all being converted over to the new layout, which you can find at the other All-Star resorts and Pops and Tree. This new layout gives you a queen bed as well as the pull-down bed if you would like a second bed. It has lots of storage and is a more updated decor. You can book rooms that are standard or preferred, but we recommend the preferred if you can afford it in your budget because it puts you closer to the rest of the amenities. Outside of the pools, there are other recreation opportunities, including a playground that is located near the Touchdown Hotel area, running trails, if you need to run during your trip, as well as movies under the stars, which are located at the main pool every night. And there's also a campfire that you can do between buildings 7 and the main building. You can always check the recreation schedule to figure out what is taking place during your trip. Guests at All-Star Sports have a couple different options for getting around. If you have your own car, it'll be $15 a day in self-parking fees. If you want to walk, your only option there is to walk to the other All-Star resorts. If you want to use Disney transportation, it is going to be by bus. There are buses that will take you to the parks and Disney Springs. Sometimes it is direct between the resort and those destinations, and sometimes it is shared with the other All-Star resorts. You can also choose to do rideshare, and when you do that, you can have it drop you off or pick you up in various spots, including near your building, but we have found it easiest to specify the main building for the driver's sake. Overall, All-Star Sports is a really affordable and fun place to stay as long as you're okay with the smaller room size, the resort being fairly spread out, and the fact that buses are sometimes shared between the All-Star resorts. We do recommend booking a preferred room if you have a little bit of extra money in the budget because that will put you closer to the main building and the transportation. We think this is really ideal for families with young kids who want to have a trip as affordably as possible.